Good morning, students. Today we'll start exercise 2 problems. So that is permutation with repetition of things. The first exercise over. Today we'll start exercise 2. The heading is permutation with repetition of things. Permutations with repetition of things. Permutations with repetition of things. So the first we learn the formulas. The number of permutations of n dissimilar things taken are at a time when repetition of things is allowed, any number of times is n to the power of r. So that is number of generally we in the first exercise we learned that the number of permutations of n dissimilar things taken r at a time is denoted by npr. So that is NPR formula. NPR is equal to the number of ways of filling the R blank places which are arranged in a row by n dissimilar things. But here the number of permutations of this n dissimilar things taken are at a time, but when repetition of things is allowed any number of times, that is n to the power of r. So the first write down the formula, first one, the number of permutations of n dissimilar things of n dissimilar things taken are at a time when repetition of the things is allowed. When repetition of the things is allowed any number of times is n to the power of r. So that is nothing but just we learn that the number of permutations is equal to number of ways of filling r blank places by n things when repetition of things is allowed. But what is the first? So I am taking suppose first n dissimilar things means I am taking suppose some r blank places. So the first place can be filled by any one of the, how many digits are there here? N dissimilar things. N things are there, n dissimilar things. The blank places are R blank places. So the first place can be filled with any one of the n different things can be done in n ways. So first blank place can be filled in n ways. So remaining we have r minus 1 places, but repetition of things is allowed. So this second place also can be done in n ways. And the next another way of this thing is already allowed. Repetition of things is allowed means we have n things are there remaining, and r blank places, r minus 2 places. But we have any number of times nothing but we fill in. This is also n times. So each and every second blank place also can also be filled by any one of the n dissimilar things in n ways, and third blank place also can be filled with any one of the n dissimilar things in n ways. So therefore the every blank place can be filled by in number and can filled by n ways only. So by counting principle, so the r blank places can be filled in. The r blank places can be filled in also. This also as n times. So that is n into n into n into n into so on up to r times, so nothing but n to the power of r. This is the total required permutation. That is nothing but the number of permutations of n dissimilar things taken r at a time when repetition of the things is allowed any number of times is n to the power of r. This is the first general formula. Next, second one is number of some objective points are there. So write heading functions. So in first year learn the functions chapter in this way. This is also second one, functions. So functions and number of ways here I am writing here. So that is first one, 1 functions. So the 1 function means function is possible if the condition is number of b is greater than or equal to number of a. So then only the 1 function will be possible. So here also the number of 1 functions also can be done in number of ways is number of b, p, number of a. So that is number of b nothing but a and b are two sets. Number of b required nothing but number of elements in b. Number of a nothing but the number of elements in a. So how many 1 function can be done in way that is number of b, p, arrangement is number of b, p, number of a. And similarly if it is possible number of b greater than or equal to number of a, then only it will be condition. The condition is number of b is greater than or equal to number of a, then only the condition is 1 function. So that is number of b greater than or equal to number of a. The second one is onto functions. So it is also possible from set A to set B if the condition is number of A elements are greater or equal to number of B. Then only onto function will be required. So this can be done in how many ways? Nothing but depends on the number of B elements. So I am taking in the next page. If 1 functions can be possible ways are number of B, P, number of A. The condition is number of P is greater than or equal to number of A. Onto functions is the condition depends on the elements of A. I will write next page. If the condition is number of A elements is greater than or equal to number of B. So in the next page I am writing that is number of A and number of B and number of functions. So that is number of A, how many elements depends on the A and B, number of functions can be formed. Suppose number of A has n elements, number of B has 2 elements. The number of functions are 2 to the power of n minus 2. And suppose number of A is also n. If the elements of B is 3, then the condition number of functions are 3 power n minus 3 into 2 power n plus 3 number of function will be formed. And that is next condition is n. Here r elements are there. Then it is denoted by r to the power of n minus rc1 into r minus 1 whole to the power of n plus rc2 into r minus 2 whole power n plus so on, minus alternate minus will be appear, that is here write as minus, that is minus NC rc3 and r minus 3 whole to the power of n, like that. And next in the set A has n elements and suppose r minus 1 number of B containing, then you get n factorial into n minus 1 by 2. And the last one is n, here also n, so then becomes 2 n factorial. So the condition is number of A equal to number of B, then it is formed that the condition is n factorial. This is the number of functions or elements of the conditions to be number of functions formed. If the elements of A is n, number of B is 2 elements, the number of functions are 2 power n minus 2. If it is number of A equal to n, number of B equal to 3 elements, that is 3 power n minus 3 into 2 power n plus 3. If it is R elements in number of B, that is the condition. Number of R minus 1 nothing but n factorial into n minus 1 by 2. If it is number of A equal to number of B, then it is nothing but bijection. If the elements are both are nothing but, it should be as bijection. If number of A equal to number of B nothing but, the condition is given that it becomes to bijection. So next condition is, I am writing another way in words. Bijections are possible. Bijections are possible from A to B if number of A equal to number of B, that is also n, then the number of functions is are functions nothing but here bijections. Number of bijections is nothing but n factorial. If both our elements are, it should be 1 1 and on 2, then it is bijection. So that is why as A equal to n elements, B equal to also n elements, n number of functions to be formed is n factorial. So that is the condition for this one. So then go to the next concept, that is dearrangement of things. So what is mean by dearrangement in the next page? So derangement. So if there are n things in a row, suppose we have there are n things in a row, then the permutation of these n things such that none of them is occupies its original position, then it is called dearrangement of things. So what we call as, if there are n things in a row, the permutation of in these n things such that none of them occupies its original position or place is called derangement of things. So therefore the number of derangement of n distinct things is formula is given by n factorial into 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial, so on up to minus 1 whole to the power of n into 1 by n factorial. So these type questions are in only objective questions. First just write the some points, see what is meaning by dearrangement. So that is, if there are n things in a row, a permutation of these n things such that none of them occupies its original place is called derangement of things. So therefore the formula is derangement of things is derangement of n distinct things equal to 1 by n factorial into 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial minus 1 by 5 factorial. Similarly, minus 1 whole power n into 1 by n factorial. This is the derangement of things formula. So that is, so the letters, there are n letters in same like that only. So what is the condition? It is nothing but if it is taken as letters or things anyway. So that there are n things in a row, the permutation of these n things such that none of them occupies its original place is called derangement of things. That is the formula. And similarly, we can try as followed by letters. If there are n letters in addressed envelopes, then the condition that first point, the number of ways the letters can be placed in the one envelope so that all the letters goes to the correct address is nothing but correct address means same thing. So that is only one way. Exactly one letter goes to the wrong addressed envelope is zero way. And exactly all letters goes to the wrong addressed envelopes is denoted by NPR into this NPR into 1 by 2 factorial plus here n factorial nana. So that is exactly R letter goes to the wrong addressed envelope, that is nothing but derangement of things. It is this formula. But all the letters goes to the wrong addressed envelopes is NPN, that is NPN into 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial like this so on minus 1 whole power n by n factorial. This is the formula. Just write in the envelopes, the addressed envelopes like that we have to write now. First point is there are n letters in n addressed envelopes, then first point, the number of ways the letters can be placed in envelopes so that first point, all the letters goes to correct address to the envelopes. How many ways will go? In one way. Correct address means they go to only one way. And another one is exactly one letter. Exactly one letter goes to the wrong address, wrong addressed envelope in zero way. They cannot, so that is by zero way. And third point, exactly or letters goes to the wrong addressed envelopes, that is nothing but derangement of things. Addressed envelopes is just now we completed NPR into 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial plus so on minus 1 whole power r by r factorial. And then last one is all the letters goes to wrong addressed envelopes. Is NPN into 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial so on minus 1 whole to the power of n by n factorial, which is nothing but this is nothing but derangement of things. So put r equal to n here. Put r equal to n. Suppose number of r equal to n. This is nothing but all the letters goes to the wrong addressed envelope denoted by derangement of things. So NPN nothing but n factorial, both are same. This is the derangement of things. So that is, what is that? If there are n things in a row, the permutation of these n things are such that none of them occupies the original place is called derangement of things. Derangement of n things is given by n factorial into 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial, so on, minus 1 whole power n into 1 by n factorial. So in this way we can letters form writing two envelopes. There are n letters in n addressed envelopes, then the number of ways the letters can be placed in one way in envelope, so that all the letters goes to the correct address, nothing but one way. And then exactly one letter goes to the wrong addressed envelope is zero way. And third one is exactly all letter goes to the wrong addressed envelope is NPR into 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial, so on, 1 by minus 1 whole power r by r factorial. If put r equal to n, nothing but all the letters goes to the wrong addressed envelope, nothing but derangement of things. That is the formula. So next goes to the palindrome concept. So that is palindrome. General we will this type of condition we'll see so many times in our daily life. That is meaning that what is mean by palindrome, nothing but a number or a word which reads same either from left to right or from right to left is called a palindrome. So some examples of palindromes are ATA, ATTA, ATA, and Malayalam, and next mom, dad, like this, all those are called as palindromes. So what is we call as a palindrome means a number or a word which reads same either from left to right or right to left is called as a palindrome. So that is the question. So write as the definition: a number or a word or a word which reads or which reads same either from left to right or right to left is called a palindrome. Some examples are ATA, ATTA, ATA, and mom, madam, and else as words 1 2 3 2 1 or 1 2 0 0 2 1 or etc. This type of numbers or words are called as a palindrome. In such that way we can some formula is there. The number of permutation palindromes with r letters or digits that can be formed using the given n distinct letters is, if the power is r is even or r is odd, the condition is if r is even, n to the power of r by 2 palindromes will appear, and if it is r is odd, we can get as n to the power of r plus 1 by 2 of palindromes we will get. That is the formula. So write down the number of palindromes with r letters or digits, or else letters or digits anyway, can be formed using given n letters or n distinct letters is, first condition is n to the power of r by 2 if r is even, and second condition if n to the power of r plus 1 by 2 if r is odd. The condition of fill up the blanks as even, n to the power of r by 2, and if it is r is odd, then you get n to the power of r plus 1 by 2. This is the formula for palindromes, nothing but so that is fill up in the blanks either. Here what we fill up with in the first and last to be same. So and here also the last and second, last but one and second place also filled by the same number, and this has to the same, this third place and next this one. So this is to be palindrome. This is the number of ways of filling the blanks. If it is first place is the number, take it as 1. Suppose any number, the last place can also fill in the same number only, and the second place is whatever number we have taken, and the last but one place number also same thing, that should be filled with the same number, and third place also can be filled with the same number. This is way of filling the palindromes concept. These 2 more questions in the examinations. Okay, now go to the exercise 5.2. So we just what is the formulas we have learned, that is the number of permutations of n dissimilar things taken r at a time. When repetition of things is allowed, any number of times is n to the power of r, and the number of functions are nothing but a number of b to the power of number of a, and number of surjections are on the cases nothing but as number of b elements as 2 or n or r minus 1 are same elements. So then it is formed by different types of number of functions will be formed, and the number of bijections nothing but n factorial, and the derangement nothing but if number of things are n, they are going to the same places, nothing but arrangement. If it is not, none of them occupies the same original position, is called derangement. So the next concept is palindromes. If a number or word which reads same either from left to right or right to left is called as a palindrome. On basis of this question, these concepts, some we have this exercise problems. We solve it in the exercise 5.2. Continuation of the continuation of the PNC topic 5.1 is over. Now go to the first bit for exercise 5.2. Very short answer type questions. Very short answer type questions. Very short answer type questions. So first bit is very easiest questions all are. This is the first bit, first question. So find the number of 4-digit numbers. Find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 when repetition of things is allowed. When repetition is allowed. When repetition is allowed. So find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 when repetition of things is allowed. So that is we can filling the 4 blank places. So let us take some how many digits are given. So that is 6 digits are given, and the places to be filled with how many digit numbers to be filled with, and so the places should be 4. First place, second place, third place, fourth place. That is number of places are 4, and the number of digits are to be formed with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can fill up the each place with any number of given 6 digits. Therefore, the number of required 4-digit numbers are first place can be filled with in how many ways can be filled with this nothing but 6 ways. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number of digits are 6. How many numbers we have taken as 4-digit number to be formed? So we can fill up the first place with any one of the 6 digits. How many ways we can select? How many ways we can arrange means 6 ways, and the repetition of things is allowed. So second place can be also filled by 6 ways, and similarly 6 ways. This is also 6 ways. Totally how many place? 6 to the power of 4. But we write is explanation in the examination, that is the most important. Write in the formula or else like this way we can fill up each place any of the 6 digits. Therefore, the number of ways that can be formed by using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When repetition is allowed, is 6 power 4. This is the answer, nothing but the value is 1296. 6 into 6 into 6 into 6, that is 1296. So number of to fill up the boxes is 4, and that can be formed using the by digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can fill up the each place, any one of the given digits, we can take it as 6 ways. And the next this second place also can be filled by given any number of digits, that is repetition of things is allowed, nothing but 6 ways. And similarly third place and fourth place, so we can fill up the each place any number of times with given 6 digits. Therefore the number of ways that can be formed by using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 when repetition of things is allowed is 6 into 6 into 6 into 6, nothing but 6 power 4, that is 1296. So this is the first question. Then go to the second question. Question number 2. All are same methods only. Find the number of 5-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word rhyme, RHYME, rhyme. If each letter can be used any number of times when repetition of things is allowed. So similarly here in previous problem we have to fill up the 4 blank places, but here is given 5-letter word that can be formed using the letters of the word by using rhyme when repetition of things is allowed. In similarly just we have take it as 4 blank places only, but here 5 blank places are given. So that should be filled by any one of the given digits that is to be used to the number is word is given that rhyme. So totally number of letters is here. Number of letters are 5. RHYME. First place can be filled with any one of the given digits, that is 5. And the repetition of these things is allowed means the number also taken, that number also again we can fill the another way, choice is there. So second blank place can be filled in 5 ways, and third when repetition of things is allowed. So therefore we can get as 5 to the power of 4. So in the similar way the number of 5-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word rhyme, if each letter can be used any number of times, that is 5 to the power of 5. So number of letters is 5. So that is we have to write here the number of 5-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word rhyme. If when repetition of things is allowed, is 5 to the power of 5, that is nothing but 3125 ways we can fill up the by using the letters of the word rhyme by to form a 5-letter word. This is the question number 2. And then go to the third question. Similar, all are similar problems. Just you think and write, that's all. That is the way of presentation. So that is same similar question. That is third question. Find the number of 5-letter words. Same question, Nana. Same similar method. Find the number of 5-letter words. Writing process is so much time taken. That can be formed. That can be formed using the letters of the word. Using the letters of the word. Using the letters of the word nature. That big condition is given. That begin with n when repetition of things is allowed. When repetition is allowed. So what is the question is given? So find the number of 5-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word nature that begin with n when repetition is allowed. So we have to fill up the 5 blank places with the given digits, but the condition is given. The first place must be filled with, first place can be filled with only by n. So remaining 4 places can be filled with any one of the given 6 letters. So it can be done in 6 ways. Therefore, the number of 5-lettered word that can be formed using the letters of the word nature that can be begun with n and repetition if the things is allowed with nothing but 1 into 6 power 4. So what we have to do is first box 1, 2, 3. How many letters to be formed? So that is 5 letters. So in the first letter the condition is given begin with n. So that is begun with n is given. So it should be filled with n. So the first we can fill up the first place with n. How many ways it can be done? Only one way. The remaining 4 places can be filled with any one of the given 6 letters. So that is the second place can be filled in 6. Why? Because number of letters are here 6. Any one of the given letter means we have to choose any number of letter. How many times repetition of things is allowed. So that is why the remaining 4 places can be filled with any one of the given 6 letters. So that is 6 ways each. So therefore the number of 5-letter word that can be formed using the letters of the word nature that begin with n. Repetition of things is nothing but 1 into 6 power 4. Okay. The nature has 6 letters but the condition is given n as begin with n. So it can be fixed. So this can be done in only one way. The remaining 4 places can be filled with any one of the given 6 letters. In each place can be filled by any letter that can be done in 6 ways each. So then the total answer is 1 into 6 power 4, nothing but 6 power 4. So that should be right in the downwards. We have to explain the everything in the question. That is first place can fill up. First place can fill up with n. With n. In how many ways? In one way. Then the remaining 4 places with any one of 6 letters in 6 ways each. Therefore, the number of 5-letter word can be formed using the letters of the word nature begin with n is 1 into 6 power 4, that is 6 power 4, which is nothing but 1296 ways. This is the question number 3. So now going to question number 4. All are similar method, Nana. Same to same concept, same method. Question number 4. Find the number of 5-letter words. Find the number of 5-letter words. Find the number of 5-letter words that can be formed. That can be formed by using the letters of the word, by using mixture, which begin with an vowel, which begin with an vowel, which begin with an vowel, when repetition is allowed. When repetition is allowed. Same thing, Nana. Same. All are same method questions. All. So the question is given that to form a 5-letter word. 5-letter word that can be using the letters of the word mixture. Mixture the word using which begin with an vowel and with repetition of the things is allowed. So we have to fill up the 5 blank places with the given letters. So therefore the first place can be filled with an vowel in how many ways? So let us see. Number of vowels here, how many are there? I is there, U is there, E is there. So that is 3 vowels are there. And then we are left with how many letters? If it is I, we can be filled with I. Then the remaining, say how many letters we can get? 6, 7 letters. So total 8 letters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 letters. And the 4 blank places, they can be filled with 7 to the power of 4 ways. Why? Because so 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So that is any number of ways, nothing but. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 7-letter word, number of vowels are 3. So first we have to number of vowels as I, U, E. So first begin with an vowel means first we fill with either here the first place can be filled with either I comma U comma E. That is how many ways? So it should be 3 ways. And the remaining places can be filled with remaining these places 1, 2, 3, 4 places. Letters are 7. Any number of times can be done in 7 ways. So therefore the answer is 3 into 7 to the power of 4. But we have to write all those. So it's so explanation. We have to fill up. We have to fill up 5 blank places with the given letters. With the given letters. With the given. So after filling up these places, how many places are left? 1, 2, 3, 4 places are left, and letters are number of letters are 3. So that is first place can be filled with. First place can be filled with an vowel. An vowel. I, R, U, R, E in 3 ways. In 3 ways. Then we are left with 7 letters and 4 blank places. 4 places. They can be filled in 7 to the power of 4 ways. Therefore, the total number of ways to form a 5-letter word to form a 5-letter words by using mixture when which begin with an vowel, when repetition of things is allowed. When repetition of things is allowed, is 3 into 7 to the power of 4. So 3 into 7 to the power of 4, nothing but the value is 7203 ways. So this is the question number 4. In similarly, tomorrow I will explain remaining problems. Question number 5. So that is, okay Nana, first repetition of things is allowed. How many we are learning? N to the power of r, functions and derangement and palindromes and some more exercise problems. So learn all those. Okay Nana, tomorrow. Thank you.